Hi everyone, today I will show you an easy method on how to use Amex gift card on Cash App in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. First, you need to register your Amex gift card. Visit the official Amex gift card website. There, activate your card and register it using your name and billing address. Next, link the gift card to PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and go to the Wallet section. Click on Link a Card, then enter your Amex gift card details. Once the card is linked, it's time to transfer the funds to your bank account. In PayPal, select the amount you want to move and transfer it from the gift card to your linked bank account. After the funds are in your bank, open the Cash app, tap the Banking tab, then select Add Cash. Choose the amount you want to transfer from your bank into your Cash App balance. And that's it. Your Amex gift card funds are now accessible through Cash App.